Peanut butter, a nutritional heavyweight? Did you know that just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter pack nearly 200 calories and 16 grams of fat? That's right, this creamy, nutty delight is a nutritional heavyweight. But don't let those numbers scare you off just yet. While peanut butter is calorie-dense, it's also packed with nutrients and healthy fats that can benefit your body. So, is peanut butter a health hero or a dietary demon in disguise? Let's dive in and find out. The truth is, like many things in life, the key to enjoying peanut butter lies in understanding its complexities and consuming it mindfully. It's about choosing the right type of peanut butter, incorporating it into a balanced diet, and listening to your body's needs. Friend or foe? Peanut butter. It's a classic comfort food, a childhood staple, and a versatile ingredient found in pantries across America. But despite its widespread popularity, peanut butter often finds itself at the center of heated health debates. Is it a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins? Or is it a calorie-laden culprit contributing to weight gain and health problems? The answer, as with many things in nutrition, is not black and white. Peanut butter, like many foods, has both benefits and drawbacks. It's all about understanding the facts, separating myths from realities, and making informed choices that align with your individual health goals. Unveiling the truth. The mixed messages surrounding peanut butter stem from its unique nutritional profile. On the one hand, peanut butter is a good source of protein, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These nutrients can contribute to feelings of fullness, support healthy blood sugar levels, and may even reduce the risk of heart disease. However, peanut butter is also calorie-dense and high in fat. Consuming large amounts of peanut butter, especially without adjusting your overall calorie intake, can lead to weight gain. Additionally, some types of peanut butter contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium, which can negate its health benefits. The key takeaway? Moderation and informed choices are crucial. By understanding the nutritional nuances of peanut butter, you can enjoy its deliciousness and potential health benefits without derailing your wellness journey. Not all peanut butters are created equal. Walking down the peanut butter aisle can be overwhelming. Creamy or crunchy, natural or conventional, reduced fat or organic. The choices seem endless, and each type promises something different. But how do you know which one is the best for you and your family? With so many options, it's important to know what to look for. The labels can be confusing and the marketing can be misleading. Some brands boast about being all natural or low fat. But what does that really mean for your health? The type of peanut butter you choose can significantly impact its nutritional value. A nutritionist can help break down the differences, but there are some key points you can keep in mind when making your choice. Natural peanut butter is your best bet. It typically contains just 2 ingredients, peanuts and salt. This simplicity means you're getting the most out of the peanut's natural nutrients, without any unnecessary additives. It typically contains just 2 ingredients, peanuts and salt. This means you're avoiding the extra sugars and unhealthy fats that can be found in other types of peanut butter. Conventional peanut butter, on the other hand, often includes added sugars, hydrogenated oils, trans fats, and excessive sodium. These ingredients are added to improve texture, taste, and shelf life, but they come at a cost to your health. These additions not only detract from the nutritional benefits of peanuts, but can also be detrimental to your health. Hydrogenated oils, for example, are a source of trans fats, which have been linked to heart disease and other health issues. When choosing peanut butter, always read the label carefully. Look beyond the marketing claims and focus on the actual ingredients. The fewer ingredients, the better. Look for brands with minimal added ingredients, low sodium content, and no hydrogenated oils. This ensures that you're getting a product that's as close to its natural state as possible. Opting for natural peanut butter ensures you're getting the purest form of this nutritious spread. Not only does it taste great, but it also provides the health benefits of peanuts without the downsides of added sugars and unhealthy fats. Incorporating natural peanut butter into your diet can be a simple, yet effective way to boost your overall nutrition. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner. You can add it to smoothies for a protein boost, spread it on fruits for a healthy snack, or use it in cooking and baking for added flavor and nutrition. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are clear. By choosing natural peanut butter, you're making a choice that's good for your health and your taste buds. So next time you're in the peanut butter aisle, take a moment to read the labels and make an informed choice. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, not all peanut butters are created equal. Choose wisely and enjoy the delicious, nutritious benefits of natural peanut butter. Science on the side of peanuts. Studies show promising results. In recent years, the humble peanut has garnered significant attention from the scientific community. Researchers are delving deep into the myriad health benefits that peanuts and peanut butter can offer. Numerous studies have explored the potential health benefits of peanuts and peanut butter. These studies span various aspects of health, from cardiovascular benefits to metabolic improvements. The versatility of peanuts makes them a subject of interest for many nutritionists and health experts. Research suggests that moderate peanut consumption may contribute to heart health, weight management, and blood sugar control. Peanuts are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to be heart-healthy. They also contain essential nutrients like magnesium, vitamin E, and folate, which play crucial roles in maintaining overall health. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that people who regularly consumed peanuts or peanut butter had a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This study highlighted the potential of peanuts to improve insulin sensitivity and help in managing blood sugar levels. Another study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, found that a diet rich in nuts, including peanuts, was associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. The study emphasized that the combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants in peanuts contributes to their heart protective properties. These findings highlight the potential for peanut butter to be a part of a heart-healthy dietary pattern. Incorporating peanut butter into meals can be a delicious and nutritious way to boost heart health. Whether it's spreading peanut butter on whole grain toast or adding it to smoothies, the options are endless. It's important to note that most of these studies focus on moderate peanut butter consumption. Moderation is key to reaping the benefits without overloading on calories. A typical serving size is about 2 tablespoons, which provides a good balance of nutrients without excessive calorie intake. Overindulging, even in healthy foods, can tip the calorie balance and potentially lead to weight gain. While peanuts and peanut butter are nutrient-dense, they are also calorie-dense. It's easy to consume more than intended, especially when enjoying the creamy, delicious taste of peanut butter. Therefore, being mindful of portion sizes is crucial. Additionally, choosing natural peanut butter without added sugars or hydrogenated oils can further enhance the health benefits. By making informed choices and practicing moderation, peanuts and peanut butter can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Moderation is key. Enjoying peanut butter responsibly. Like many things in life, enjoying peanut butter is all about balance and moderation. It's easy to get carried away with this delicious spread, but keeping an eye on portion sizes is crucial. Peanut butter can be a fantastic addition to your diet when consumed in the right amounts. While it offers a range of nutrients and potential health benefits, it's essential to consume it mindfully as part of a balanced diet. Peanut butter is rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutritious choice. However, overindulgence can lead to excessive calorie intake, which might counteract its benefits. A serving of peanut butter is typically 2 tablespoons, which provides about 200 calories and 16 grams of fat. This serving size is enough to give you a good dose of energy and nutrients without going overboard. It's important to measure your portions to avoid consuming too much. While that may seem like a lot, remember that these are primarily healthy fats that can contribute to satiety, heart health, and overall well-being. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in peanut butter can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporate peanut butter into your diet in mindful ways. It can be a versatile ingredient that enhances the flavor and nutritional value of various dishes. From breakfast to dinner, there are countless ways to enjoy peanut butter without overdoing it. Spread it on whole grain toast for a nutritious breakfast that will keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Whole grains provide fiber, which works in tandem with the protein and healthy fats in peanut butter to give you sustained energy. Add it to smoothies for a protein boost. A spoonful of peanut butter can transform a simple smoothie into a creamy, protein-packed treat that's perfect for a post-workout snack or a quick meal on the go. Or pair it with apple slices for a satisfying snack. The combination of the crisp, juicy apple and the creamy, nutty peanut butter creates a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for any time of the day. The key is to enjoy it in moderation and to be mindful of your overall calorie intake. By keeping track of your portions and incorporating peanut butter into a balanced diet, you can enjoy its benefits without any guilt. Remember, moderation is key to enjoying peanut butter responsibly and reaping its health benefits. Making informed choices. Your guide to healthier peanut butter habits. Navigating the world of peanut butter doesn't have to be complicated. By following a few simple tips, you can make informed choices that align with your health goals and allow you to enjoy this versatile spread guilt-free. First and foremost, choose natural peanut butter whenever possible. Look for brands with minimal added ingredients, low sodium content, and no hydrogenated oils. Pay attention to serving sizes and incorporate peanut butter into your diet mindfully. Remember, peanut butter is not a magic bullet, but it can be a delicious and nutritious part of a balanced diet. By making mindful choices and enjoying it in moderation, you can reap its potential health benefits without derailing your wellness journey. Keep spreading the love and the peanut butter, sharing your favorite healthy indulgences. So, there you have it. The truth about peanut butter is out in the open. It's not a villain, but it's not a superhero either. It's a delicious and nutritious food that, when consumed mindfully, can be a part of a healthy lifestyle. Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. How do you enjoy peanut butter in your diet? What's your favorite way to enjoy peanut butter? Let me know by sharing your favorite healthy peanut butter recipes, snacks, and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to make healthy and delicious choices. And if you want to learn more about healthy snacks, don't forget to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like today's video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative and engaging content on healthy eating, wellness, and living your best life. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.